Mom, are we almost there? I'm hungry. No, sweetie, we're not. We're almost. Yes, sweetie, we're almost there. We are 5 hours away, okay? Mom, but that's so long. I want ice cream. If you complain one more time, I will end your life and you will meet your ancestors again. Okay, Mom? Fine, I'll wait. Eat. Mom, can you tell Big Bo to stop snoring? He's so loud and I'm trying to sleep. Sweetie, it's just because I want to protect you. You don't know what type of people are there. You don't know. No, and sure, clap him through the face. No, wait, I missed. Oh, Mom, you eat me. Stop snoring. This is why you should never complain on the road. This might happen to you. Subscribe to me, please. I'm done talking about Andre Mattia telling people to subscribe to him. He got up to 90 subscribers. Now I don't know what to even do. He doesn't shout out me anytime. My dandelion starts now. Comment down your PUBG username so I can play with you.